Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to the Windows Fixer YouTube channel. I made a video on Windows security some times ago which received a great positive response and I really appreciate all of you for that. I'm happy that it worked for a lot of pupils. Now some pupils are facing issues where their real-time protection is still disabled. In today's video I will show you how you can re-enable the real-time protection. Let's dive in. First of all, let's repair Windows to ensure there are no issues with the system files. These commands are simple. What you need to do here, simply click on the Windows icon, then search for CMD and then run as administrator. It's important, please make sure run your CMD as an administrator. The first command is sfc space then /scannow. Hit enter. This command scans the integrity of all protected system files and replaces corrupted files with a cached copy. It can help fix various issues related to system file corruptions. So, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. So, if there could be, it will repair automatically. So, after applying this command, you need to paste another command. I will provide both commands in the description, so it will be easier for you guys to use these commands in command prompt and then hit enter. Now this will take only a few seconds. This command repairs the Windows image by restoring the health of the system. It checks for component store corruptions and replaces any corrupted file using Windows Update as a source. Okay, it's recommended to restore your PC after running these commands. This allows the changes and repair to take effect properly. Now let's repair Windows Defender real-time protection after restarting the computer. Okay guys, now we are doing here two things. First, gpedit. Simply search here for gpedit, the group policy editor. Open it and then there's two settings. First for computer configuration, the second user configuration. We will go into the computer configuration and on the right side you will see here the administrative templates. Just double tap on it and then Windows components. Now simply you need to find here the Security Defender or Microsoft Defender antivirus. There's the folder name might be different in your case. I'm using the latest version in which Microsoft Defender antivirus is the folder. Now just double tap on it once again and you will see here the turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. Just double tap on it and choose the disable option from not configured to disable and then hit apply and OK. And the same thing you need to do here in another real-time protection. Just double tap on it and then turn off real-time protection. Just double tap on it and again disable it. Hit apply and OK. That's it. Now the next step is we will edit in the registry editor. Just search for registry. Registry editor. Once you open this, I will provide the destination link in the description. So just copy and paste in the search bar and then you will see here the disable real-time monitoring. Just double tap on it. If there's the input value data is 1, just make sure put 0 or just delete it. Right click on it and delete it. That's the simple step guys. Now simply you can restart your PC and your problem should be fixed 100%. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are facing any other issue, let me know in the comment sections below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.